All right, we're being asked to multiply these two rational expressions. What that basically means to you is that you have to first factor and then cancel. So sometimes the word multiply is code for this, especially when you're dealing with rationals. So the factor part, I have to take this expression here and factor it. Okay, so this is a z squared, so this has to be a z, this has to be a z. To get 45, that's 9 times 5, so I'm going to put a 9 over here and a 5 over here. To get the minus 4 in the middle with the outer and the inner, I need to make the negative number bigger because we have a negative. And let me restate that. I need to make the bigger number negative and the smaller number positive, because that's how, when we do the outer and the inner, that's how we'll get a minus 4. Okay, so then this is roughly the same process for all the other ones, basically factor. So for this expression, the only thing I can factor out, it looks like, is a 12. Still have our multiplication symbol. Out of these, I think I can factor out an 11, and that's all I can factor. Now, for this expression, what I actually want to do with that one is factor out the minus sign first. So just over here on the side, I'm going to write it as negative 1 times z squared plus 2z minus 99. So I'm factoring out the minus, or the minus 1. If I were to multiply this back in, I should get the original. It looks right. And I'll put the minus 1 over here. And I'm going to see if I can factor out into binomials that trinomial. So because this is z squared, I need a z and a z. Because this is 99, the thing that comes to my mind is 9 times 11. And so I'm going to put a 9 and an 11. And then because this is positive, I need to make the bigger of these the positive, and the other one the minus sign. And just to check the FOIL, using the FOIL method and the outer and the inner, just real quick, the outer gives us 11z and the inner gives me minus 9z. Together they add up to 2. So that worked. So that takes care of the factor part. Now we want to do some canceling if possible. The z plus 10s cancel, the z minus 9 cancels, and that looks like that's all that we can cancel. I don't see anything else, and that's plenty. So I'm left with 11 z plus 5, 11 z plus 5. And let's multiply the 12 and the minus 1. So that's negative 12. And then z plus 11. And that's how we do that problem.